I think yung kapatid ni Tammy galit yun sa amin. Oh my God, hala, what happened here? What happened?
Kain la kami. Good morning, Philippines!
You don't have to shower, okay? Oh my God, you know, Tammy, I'm already ready. Let's go na. Alis kami. Gusto ko nang umalis kasi para naman may magawa ako. Ngayon, naalis po kami. Gusto ko nang umalis actually para makapag-ano na tayo. And I need a bin. Hindi ko pa ito nalulundri, oh. I need a bin for this because ang daming pictures, guys. Look. So, ngayon, dito ako sa taas. Anyway, good morning mga ka-everything. Good morning po sa inyo, guys. Ito, sweater. Mag-sweater lang tayo. Ito. Ito, ano natin. Kasi, parang maginaw-ginaw rin. Yun o, alam nyo na. And sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka nang maligo. Maligo siya kagabi. And then, maghakot lang naman kami ng gamit. Magdala din ako ng baon. Maghanap tayo ng container. Han, yesterday you don't wanna move. I'm gonna call Andrea. No. Honey, that's what we do, like this. We don't say anything, but when you said like let's go, we do like this. Do it again, abnormal. Oh. Honey, do it again.
Yeah.
And can you do it?
Yep.
No. Oh, you crazy. Oh my God. So I'm gonna get some because you buy something like the container. You buy a container for like when you go to work, like a separation thing. And I know you put it here. Look. And I need a food to bring for lunch over there.
That's a salad thing.
That's a salad container. Yeah.
Take whatever you want.
I know, and I need to bring something for you. For you and me.
How long do you think we'll be there?
Well, it's already it's already 9. You have to get...
9 o'clock.
Yes, Tommy.
Bingo.
Move your ass.
There you
Hurry
go.
up. Oh my God.
There you go.
Luckily, Han, I have rice last night. Oh my God. So, mag-ano tayo. Itong asawa ko talaga is very, very sarcastic and very asolic. Let's have, ito na lang yung container kasi Tammy love my, yung may sardines. Kukunin lang natin itong, so ang gagawin ko, kukunin ko lang itong lemongrass. And let's see kung may sardinas dito. O wala ng sardinas. Lemongrass na lang yung itapo natin. So, lagyan natin ng rice ito. Alam nyo ba kung bakit nang mamadali ako papunta doon sa isang bahay para mag-impake? Kasi ang gagawin namin ngayon is punta kami sa garage. So, yan yung natin sa garahian doon. Makikita niyo guys, ang daming daming gamit. And then, natutuwa naman ako kasi naghakot-hakot din every time na magpunta siya doon. Naghakot-hakot din siya ng gamit from the garage. Initin na lang namin doon pagdating kasi meron namang microwave. I think yung kapatid ni Tammy galit yun sa amin. Kasi tumawag siya kahapon, hindi ko nasagot nga, 'di ba? Kasi andun ako sa labas. And then tinawagan ni, sabi ko tawagan mo. I think nagalit yun kasi wala daw nag-respond sa kanya, nag-text daw sa kanya, nag-text daw siya kay Tammy, hindi daw ni Tammy ni-respond. Wala namang text na natanggap si Mister. So ngayon tinawagan niya. Doon na, parang nagtampo. Kasi daw, walang sumagot. Kasi gustong pumunta doon sa isang bahay, walang kasama. So yun, gusto niyang magpunta. Ang problema ngayon, parang nagtampo ata, nagtampururot. So i-text ko sana ngayon, pero naisip ko wag na. And then, hindi din kami doon magtagal. Kaya ako, wag na lang natin i-text kasi hindi naman din ako doon magtagal. Los pants.
You say funny as you're looking. Right, take it out.
Funny?
Look you.
Funny? You. Funny?
Look
You.
you.
Funny looking. Because look, it's lost and then it's nice when it's like sandal ba? Mataas na sandal. Ganun. Pero ito, sneakers para ako ano. Pido-dida. And then ito, maghakot lang naman tayo ng gamit, di ba? Hi guys! Andito na Tommy is murmuring about the groundhog. So why they have to pick our house? Why they have to choose to be in our house? Not in our house, under the house. Digging. Do you have gas?
I do.
Sabi pa niya, kailangan daw niya, yung buhok niya ba, sobra ng taas. Kailangan nang magpagupit. Do you have your wallet? Yourself? Okay.
Why? I go shopping?
No, because if you have your wallet, that means you have your key. House key.
My key's not in my wallet.
You don't put it together?
Keys on my keychain. Why would it be in my wallet?
I know.
Seriously?
Not in your wallet, baby.
Huh? Do you know how big my keychain is?
Oh yeah, that's a lot of keys. From the old days when he was young, he still carried the keys from the old car, from the old.
No, it's not true. I don't carry those keys. Only keys that are like referenced.
He
I
has
got a billion keys I don't carry.
Yeah, but I don't know what. He just kept the key because even though it's not used anymore, it's not used. He just keep every keys.
Where's the tank? It's there. Just take the whole thing. I'm just gonna see blood in this mess.
Look, Mike notices everything. He's a damn freak.
Just tears of that.
You have to use your phone. Call Andrea, tell her we're headed down there if...
Adventures. You hope the
Yung mga dahon nag-start ng mag-ano guys, lumabas, the leaves.
vaccinated against
Starting to
They
show.
may be missing vaccination for
What is this?
meningitis B.
Warning! High cube. What is a high cube?
For meningitis will have long-term consequences.
Habro.
As you're thinking about all the vaccines your team might need, make sure you ask your doctor if your team is missing meningitis B vaccination.
Hala, no one is cutting the yard, Han. Han, why they don't cut the? They don't come here.
What?
They don't come and cut the grass.
Corn over.
Oh. So ito gusto kong dalhin guys. Kukuha ako nito. And yun. At saka ito kukuha ako nito, itanim ko. Yun. Diba? And the tree is growing. We are here. Ang una kong gawin is I'm going to eat that I have strength. Well, you don't use it anyway in our house. So, yun. Oh, hindi ako nakapunta dito ng ilang weekend. Oh, somebody do the table. Oh, okay. Hala. Patay. Holy. Hala, what happened here? What happened? Look. Hala, guys, what happened? Is this a water? Shit. Look, it's crumbled down. Hala, oy. This house is so old. Hala, is that water? Over here too, guys, oh. That's water for sure. That's from... Hala, it's echoey now here. Look. It's never been this echoey before. Since I got this, since I live here. Hindi umiiko. Ngayon, ang iko-iko ng damit ko, kaloka. Lus-lus ang pantalon kasi malaki. Hala, nag-iko na. Naninibago talaga ako. Nag-iko na, lumiit na yung mga wala na masyadong gamit. Meron pang mga basura. Yun, basura yan. I-donate yan, hindi pa na-donate. Yan, ito, dalhin ito sa bahay kasi amin ito. Binili ito ni Tami. Ito din, we need to tang-tang. So, bago kukunin nila. Ito siya guys, sa amin talaga to. Kasi, nung bumili kami ng bahay, I don't know kung nasabi ko. Kasi gustong-gusto ko to. And gusto din ni Tami. Pero dahil bumili kami ng bahay, buhay pa si Bianan, diba? Sabi pa niya, oh, the chandelier, you can put that in your house. Look. Binigay niya kay Tami. So, we have to make sure na sa amin yan mapunta bago kukunin. Nakakamiss itong bahay ba? Diba? Mamiss mo talaga. Look ang rice, guys. Oh, may itlog. Masarap talaga yung adobo may itlog. So, next time, kapag magluto ka, lagyan nyo rin ng itlog. Para mag-itlog-itlogan tayong lahat. Dun, 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 dun. Yun. I like this one because, look, mine is like, this one is like in my height. And look, it's lower. And it's just almost like I can just, you know. Okay, guys. Ang bigat nito. I-open lang ni Tamimoy. Pero ang bigat.
Open the door, right?
Han? I like these roses. Mom like this rose.
Yeah.
It's a white roses. Your father like it too. That's why mom like it because your father like it. Do we have cutter here? Watch out, careful, huh? I cannot help him, guys. Oh, probably can help pushing. Oh, that thing I can't reach. So now what are you getting? Tignan nyo to. Semento na tumigil. Which one Angelo want?
I think whatever yellow wire.
Looks small to me. So what are you getting really here?
I don't know, all kinds of crap.
It smells like mice poop here.
Raccoon book.
Raccoon? It's a raccoon poop.
Yeah.
Doon guys, may second floor ito guys. No, we do the priority first. Like, oh, there is a nice bag here.
Yeah.
What are you bringing here, Tommy? Tell me.
All kinds of crap here.
Okay, tell me. Like big stuff.
Bring more tiles, and I know you don't want to know that.
Oh my god. This one, I don't want that.
What, those
walls.
pipes?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Hun?
Those for the drains. You put
Just
on the
leave
drains.
it here. Okay, show me the big things that you want to bring. Are we able to put that out?
You take that. What?
The one that Angelos want? Put in the garage? Oh, the garage. In the thing? Porch?
Well, you put it out. Again, the roof's usually 10 years warranty, and the house is already 16 years old, so I know I'm going to have to do the roof.
No, you are not doing the roof.
Not the new house?
We have to hire people, Tommy.
Either way.
Oh, it's a rolling pad for a car.
Working on the car.
You have to look at me like I'm an idiot. I know what it is.
Well, why did they go break?
Because you're not doing it anymore.
I'm not.
What do you have there? Han, you have to throw garbage, okay? What is that? Oh, it's the garbage. Of course it's garbage, Tommy. Don't be ridiculous. Why you're collecting small things instead of big stuff? I like this. Can I bring this? This I will bring, guys. Kasi I'm the only one doing garden.
That's true.
He doesn't help me anything.
That's true.
He doesn't help me nothing.
That's true.
Can you bend this to make it straight? Okay. It's strong, guys, because it is real. Why you have to bring it? What are you gonna do with it, really? Tommy,
I got work to do in the basement at some point.
you are just imagining now. Yes, you are. You like imagining and start doing stuff, and then you stop. It's not even, and then you won't continue. I told you. It's too long. Look here. Look at here. Look. May snake daw dito. I told you there is gonna be a snake.
Little baby right there.
Oh, that's a baby.
I said he's a baby.
Kill that shit.
Why am I gonna kill him?
Han, kill it.
No.
Let me, where's the fucking killer here?
He's a baby, hon.
It's gonna go big and eat
I need what?
you.
Okay.
Oh,
Han, don't kill him. Han, don't kill him.
it's a snake.
Pick him up and let him go.
Oh my god. It's not snake.
Yes, it is.
No, it's have 4 legs. It's a lizard. Shit.
Oh, is it a tadpole? Oh, look at that.
Oh no, I'm not killing that. Wait, don't. Han. Oh god. No, don't hold it. Oh no. Eesh. Oh, luckily I don't kill it. No. And nakapag-cut ako ng bulaklak dito, guys. Oh.
I drove a truck that was 200,000 pounds.
Traffic na naman ang kalibutan. So, yun. Sobrang traffic. Nakakaloke. Kita ninyo doon. Today is Sunday. I don't know why to say goodbye.
Looks like a variable. It just be look. Yeah.
It's nice.
I don't know if that's a real variable. It's hard to tell.
Drive careful, Daddy. Okay, find Dada. Go. Where's Dada? Go find him. Oh, where's Dada? Look. Bathroom. Look, Dada. Where is Dada? Where's Dada? Look. Look. Look, Dada's in there. Ba? Dada. Dada. It's like a crazy thing.
Creatures.
Ay, nako. Ang gagawin ko is magtubig ako doon sa harapan ng bahay. Kasi, I don't know kung uulan. Hindi ko alam. Kung uulan, hindi na ako magtubig. Pero kahapon, hindi kasi umulan. And also, magsidling ako nito. Bell pepper. And yung zucchini na yan, I think kailangan ko ding isidling. Itong zucchini. So, yan. Magsisidling lang tayo. Ito, pag-isipan ko muna kung saan ito pwedeng ilagay. So, ito, sa harapan ito eh. Let me see. Ilagay ko to sa harapan bago mamatay. Look. And then ito yung galing sa New Rochelle. Lagyan ko dito ng mulch, guys, para naman okay. Okay. Ito, kinikip ko pala itong mga tag niya para hindi ko makalimutan ang pangalan. Who eat the mulch outside? Who did? You did? You cannot eat mulch. Daddy cannot give you thing. I'm gonna grab it from your mouth. Okay, do it like this. I'll grab it, okay? Yeah. Like the
Tell her, Rock. You tell her.
Oh my gosh, she's crazy.
You tell her.
She went
You
crazy.
don't fuck with my feet.
You don't. Oh my god. You eat your
Take
mochi.
my bone and you're gonna take your finger.
She really did. She just kept grabbing. Freaking wise dog.
You're too smart. You're just too smart for
Too
you.
smart, and then you worship her to do that.
I worship her to do that.
You said, "Oh, you're too smart."
You yelled at her when you were playing the game. Now, who are you talking about?
Naku na.
Na.
Pagkagahi alimpatakan ba? Gahi kay alimpatakan. Nakasabot ka? Gahi kay alimpatakan. Don't even give me that. Sit down. Oh, no, in the tree. Listen to mama, okay? No, in the tree. You know what means? Nothing. No matter what you do, don't do anything. Gara ka ni gara. Hani gara. Sit. Roxy, sit. Roxy, sit. Dadas.
Okay, let's see what's what.
Nah, she's looking at you because you opened the refrigerator. Kain lang kami, guys, ha? Say, Han, kain lang kami. Han, say to your viewers, kain lang kami.
Kain lang kami.
Kain.
Kain lang kami. Because I felt like it. I did. Turn off that camera before I give you such a smack in the head.
No, I'll do that, honey. I'll do it. That I know how much I want.
I love me and mama is up.
No. And if we have a real kid, I think the kid won't like me. Because you always talk shit about me.
Oh, yeah. That's what the dog is paying attention to.
If we have a real kid, you would say, don't love your mama. If we fight, you go with me. Your mama won't give you food. I will be very protective, and probably you're just go happy-go-lucky kind of dad. Hello?
That's me, happy and lucky.
Because you're gonna spoil your kid, and then me, I'm gonna be the strict one, and you are the very different one. Like, here's you, darling. You want some of this? I
Not
give it to
sharing
you.
her food doesn't make her strict.
Huh?
Who else is staring? Staring, little man, staring, little man.
Oh my God, that's like it's crazy. Okay guys, kain lang kami guys.